Every great sauce begins with a single, humble pepper. Farmers hand-select only the ripest, reddest peppers. From field to factory, the journey begins within hours. At the plant, every batch is weighed and logged for quality. A thorough wash removes dirt and prepares them for sorting. Smart sensors ensure only the finest peppers move forward. Powerful grinders begin transforming peppers into raw pulp. The pulp flows smoothly into massive stainless steel vats. Here, the base sauce takes its first true shape. Precise spice blends give every batch its signature kick. Constant blending ensures perfect flavor in every drop. Every stage is monitored closely to guarantee consistency. Slow simmering deepens the flavor and rich aroma.
Skilled inspectors check every batch for taste and texture.
The finished sauce is ready for its final transformation. Automated sealing locks in freshness and flavor. Each bottle is filled with precision to the perfect level. A clean label marks the sauce as ready for the world. Robotic precision speeds up the packaging process.
Boxes stack neatly, ready for shipment worldwide.
From factory floor to trucks, the journey continues onward. Every bottle carries the pride of careful craftsmanship. This is flavor crafted for every table, every meal. From fresh peppers to bold flavor, quality delivered.